Hey everyone, I have to be super quiet because we are on the set getting ready for our 1 hour show with me and David. I am so excited to be working with him for an hour. I'm sure there will be plenty of laughs and plenty of sharing. So make sure you're tuning in at 7 o'clock. And then also, super excited. Oh, please. Everyone's like running around. Super excited about all the new that we have debuting in our show tonight. And can I just tell you, I'm going to show you this beautiful table. Hey, Jen, are you going to be able to check us out at 7 p.m.? Lots of new, some nice surprises. You know all the usual things to expect. Hi, Nancy. Welcome to 31 Days of Temp-tations. Hey, Joy Gathers in the house. Hey, Charlotte, how are you? Getting excited and ready for our big show. All right, I got to show you this table. Look at this. Look at how beautiful. Look at our little place card holders that are also part of our centerpiece that we put our candle in. How adorable is this? Is this not the most beautiful harvest table? What else do you guys want to take a peek at? Hi, Candace. Hi, Carol. Hi, Joan. Oh, have you guys seen the new pitcher? Look at this gorgeous 2-quart lidded pitcher. I can't. Hey, Amy, need some buffetti? Oh, we got buffetti for you. You want to see buffetti? Look at this. Look at our amazing bamboo cutting board, the 8-ounce Rami in the ghost shape, and the ghost spreader. I can't. New stuff, Matthew. There's new stuff all the time. Unless you've already been shopping online, then it may not be new. But we are super excited. Have you guys seen the utensil sets? We have never before done them in our seasonal. So you know how a lot of times we don't carry patriotic, we don't carry egg hunt, we don't carry romance? Well, we have heard you loud and clear, and so we're testing this to see the seasonals and not just having them for a specific time of the year. Look at those harvest ones. I love it. Hey, my husband just popped on. Hey, Ed Tusher. How are you? Just getting everybody excited for our big hour show at 7 p.m. And then we're going to roll right into In the Kitchen with David. Hello, Wendy. Hello, Catherine, Monica, Joseph. Wow. Hello, everybody. To the almost 300 people who have jumped on. Wine glasses, please. They're coming. They're coming. You know, we have this mini series where we're doing our shows every Wednesday at 7 p.m. So this week it's with Mr. Venable. Next week we're super excited with Antonella. And then we have some other special surprises too along the way. What else can I show you? Well, we got to get ready for the show, so not too much. And Mr. Rastelli is over there selling his steaks, so I got to be quiet. Lisa, get on in here and say hi. I was just giving everybody a sneak peek.
What's your show?
Everything, shamelessly. Lisa's going to be chatting,
yes.
So be sure to come over here and chat with her, and she'll answer all of your questions. Am I forgetting something?
No,
I usually get that side stare.
And I'm like, we do kind of look alike.
Oh, do we? What do you mean? We're twins? No, we're not. Just kidding.
Who's who?
Yeah. Oh, Hetty, out of work due to a heart attack and knee eye surgery. Hetty, I'm wishing you all the love in the world and get well. Okay, we're sending you all positive vibes from here. Okay, love you, honey. Okay, everyone, we are getting ready. Super excited. Make sure you're checking in. Wendy Hoffman in the house. Wine glasses. We're on it. I promise.
Wine glasses.
Yeah, I said.
She might know something. Oh, you gave away the phone.
I gave away everything. Lisa was like, "Are you saving anything?" Matthew Angela's like, "When's the new coming?" I'm like, "Ooh, you've probably seen it all." Okay. Adore you guys. We'll see you in, what time is it? 15 minutes.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, we better get ready.
I just ran into David in the hallway.
And?
He's so excited.
I know.
I can't, it's too much.
First of all, we were goofing around for like the first 15 minutes of our meeting, and then we were like, okay, we got to get serious. I think his favorite item is that centerpiece. You do not want to miss that. Where is that, by the way?
Hold on, I'm going to go grab it.
Oh, no, it's over here. Okay, walk with me. We got to be really quiet. This is so annoying. I'm sorry, guys. I shouldn't do... Wow, that's really close, too. You don't need to see that. Okay, hold on. Look who's here. Making his debut. Wembley's here. So here are these amazing pedestal with ornament / place card holders. I'm going to tell you full disclosure, we do not have a lot. Because this got priced up at the very beginning. Hey, Tracy, how are you? These got priced in the beginning of the month, and you have been loving them. Hetty sends Lisa and Ed hugs as well. So Hetty, look at how cute the ornaments. So they're ornaments or they're place card holders. We did it in Harvest. We did it in Buffetti. And now that I've made you all Dizzy, we've done it in holiday as well. Okay, what? Oh, Lisa wants to share something.
To this buffet.
Yeah.
I'm not even sure if you know yet. We're so limited. Like, nothing makes it to the top of the shop.
Yeah, that's a really good point. Thank you. So if you have your eye on the ghost or the bat or the cobweb, you and me both.
Boo.
Oh, well, that was really very close. Okay. Wow, you can see how this hour is going to go. Okay, adore you all, and we will see you soon. Bye.